Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, please don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell button so you won't miss any new videos from me. So for today, I'm gonna show you how to block someone in your Skype. But before that, if you don't have Skype yet and you wanna download it in your laptop and you wanna sign up, just check on my other videos. I'll show you how. So let's go back. I'm gonna block this guy. So just click the name, go to settings, and then scroll down at the bottom. And then you will see the red one, which is a black account. Just click that one. If you want to report the guy, if the guy did something bad to you, just do it. That's fine. But in my case, I'll just gonna block him. So there you have it. And if you want to check if the person is successfully blocked, just go to More, the three dots on top, Settings, and then click Contact, and then click Blocked Contact. And there you have it. It was successfully blocked. I hope this video helped you and see you on my next video. Bye!